अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं वेरी टेस्टी मुगलाई चिकन। ये नान्स के साथ, डिनर रोल्स के साथ, घी राइस के साथ, बघारा खाने के साथ बहुत अच्छा चलता है। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। मैंने 1 kg चिकन लिया हुआ है। इसको कुछ आइटम्स के साथ, कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ मैरिनेट करते हैं। तो लेट्स ऐड 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon zeera powder, साथ में 3 हरी मिर्च स्लाइस करके डाल दीजिए. Add a few coriander leaves also along with its tender stem. 250 ml और 1 cup of yogurt अच्छे से बीट करके ऐड करिए. एंड ऐड 1 tablespoon ईच ऑफ जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट और 2 tablespoon तेल. इन सब को डाल के अच्छे से मिक्स करके कवर करके मैरिनेट करने के लिए रेफ्रिजरेटर में रख लीजिए फॉर एटलीस्ट एन आवर. यू कैन इवन डू दिस one day before and leave it overnight. Now let's start getting the masala ready. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil or 1 ladle. Along with that, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 bay leaves, 1 piece cinnamon, 3 to 4 cloves and saute for a few seconds. Then add half a kg of onions finely chopped. You can use a chopper. Once the onions are nice and golden brown, add the marinated chicken and saute on high flame for at least 5 minutes. Once the oil leaves the sides, then add the paste of 4 tomatoes or 1 small carton, 200 ml carton of tomato puree. Saute till the oil separates. Now add 1 to 2 glasses of water, 2 glasses if you wish to have more gravy to have with rice, or 1 glass if you wish to have it naan or rotis. Cover and let it cook on high flame. Once the gravy is half done, add the paste of 20 cashews, mix and let it cook till done. 20 minutes later, the chicken Mughlai is nicely done. The curry is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves and kasoori methi. Add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of kasoori methi. Rub it between your palms and sprinkle over the curry. Also add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. That portion of the video got deleted. So please do add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder as well. Cover and leave it on high flame for 10 minutes. If you have added less water, then keep the flame on low to medium. If you have added 2 glasses of water, then keep the flame on high for 10 minutes. Chicken Mughlai is ready. Do try it out. Ingredients, as always, mentioned in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.